Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will explain to you what stablecoins are and how they work. Let's roll. Let's start with some basics. Stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency that provides price stability and is backed by some reserve assets. For example, US dollar or gold. This makes it more stable to constant market fluctuations. The idea of stablecoins emerged in 2012 in the Mastercoin documentation. However, it came in handy only in 2015 when Tether Limited launched the very first stablecoin, USDT. But why were stablecoins needed? High volatility makes cryptocurrencies hard to use on a daily basis. Stablecoins come to the rescue here to exclude or reduce the chance of high inflation. The stablecoin has an opportunity to become a reserve currency for countries with a high rate of inflation and to provide worldwide stability. The main idea of stablecoins is to provide the best features of the crypto world and the banking industry. Let's learn what type of stablecoins exist. Stablecoins can be divided into three categories: Fiat-backed, Crypto-collateralized, Commodity-collateralized stablecoins. Let's examine each of them in more detail. Fiat-backed stablecoins. From the name of these stablecoins, it becomes clear that they are backed by fiat money. More often they are tied to the US dollar. Usually, the value is fixed at a 1-to-1 ratio. Examples of fiat-backed stablecoins: Tether, TrueUSD, GYEN. What are the advantages of fiat-backed stablecoins? First of all, they are stable. Unlike cryptocurrencies which are highly volatile, fiat-backed stablecoins are tied to something that does not change the value so fast. The next important feature is that they are easy to understand. A lot of cryptocurrencies exist in very complicated systems. At least they seem to be rather difficult for the understanding of people who are not a part of the crypto world. However, fiat-backed stablecoins are simple and this looks attractive. But what about their disadvantages? Here are some important ones to mention. While the whole crypto world is trying to avoid the necessity to have a mediator, fiat-backed stablecoins are very controlled. Otherwise, it is impossible to provide safety and the link between fiat money and stablecoins. Therefore, users have to develop trust to the third party. The next disadvantage is centralization. The 1-to-1 ratio can be provided only if it's centralized. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins. This type of stablecoin is backed by crypto or digital currency. It is possible to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio with the help of over-collateralization. Examples of crypto-collateralized stablecoins: make or die, synthetics. Among the main advantages of crypto-collateralized stablecoins, it's worth mentioning decentralization. Due to the use of digital currency as a backup, it is possible to avoid any centralization. The next important feature is their transparency. Everyone can monitor the blockchain, thus there is no need for auditors. What are their disadvantages? First of all, they have a lower degree of stability. The reason is the fact that cryptocurrencies are less stable in general. The system of crypto-collateralized stablecoins is also more complicated for users than the system of fiat-backed ones. Commodity-collateralized stablecoins. These stablecoins are backed by other kinds of interchangeable assets, such as precious metals. The most common commodity to be collateralized is gold. However, there are also stablecoins backed by oil, real estate, and various precious metals. Popular examples for commodity-collateralized stablecoins are Digix and Hello Gold. The most important advantage of this type of stablecoins is that commodities price is relatively stable. Among the main disadvantages, it's need to note that they are centralized, which increases the risks of potential hacks because of a single point of failure. To sum up, stablecoins is an interesting attempt to put together two different areas: the banking world and the crypto world. It tries to give users something that is not highly volatile and thus can be applied in everyday life. The fact that the stablecoin is backed up helps to hold inflation and builds people's belief in the possibility of using it. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.